Introducing Beats Studio Pro, a perfect balance of exhilarating high-fidelity audio and premium wireless noise-canceling headphones. The ultimate personal listening experience is here. Beats Studio Pro was completely re-engineered to be the most powerful and precise over-ear headphones we've ever made. The updated driver with 2-layer diaphragm, refined microventing, and 25% stronger magnets deliver rich, balanced sound and reduce distortion to virtually zero, an improvement of up to 80% compared to Beats Studio Wireless, providing increased audio fidelity. Beats Studio Pro delivers surround sound you can take anywhere. With dynamic head tracking, advanced built-in sensors create an interactive experience, so you can get lost in theater-like sound. From your favorite content, it's like being surrounded by 64 speakers at once. Fully adaptive active noise canceling continuously monitors the noise around you, then creates a precisely tuned filter to cancel noise at 48,000 times per second. Transparency mode lets the sounds of your environment mix seamlessly with your music when you want to stay present and aware. Beats Studio Pro has a built-in digital-to-analog converter DAC that delivers high-fidelity lossless audio via USB-C. Beats Studio Pro offers multiple ways to connect with your devices. Class 1 Bluetooth with extended range and fewer dropouts. While using USB-C audio, you can select between 3 distinct sound profiles. Beats Signature Profile provides balanced tuning for music. Entertainment Profile offers an elevated experience. For movies and games, Conversation Profile optimizes voice for phone calls or podcasts, with up to 40 hours of battery life. Beats Studio Pro keeps you immersed in your music longer when you're low on power. A quick 10-minute fast fuel charge provides up to 4 hours of playback. The upgraded Ultra Plush over-ear cushions feature seamless engineered leather, delivering all-day comfort and exceptional durability. Upgraded voice targeting microphones in Beats Studio Pro give you high-quality call performance. These powerful microphones actively filter out background noise to enhance the clarity of your voice, up to 27% more than Beats Studio Wireless. Take calls, control your music, toggle listening modes, and activate Voice Assistant with the multifunction on-ear controls. Beats Studio Pro offers a robust set of Apple and Android features, including Find My and One-Touch pairing. In the box, Beats Studio Pro headphones, carrying case, USB-C to USB-C cable for charging and audio 3.5mm analog audio cable. And all these engineering upgrades, they partner with Samuel Ross to elevate everything design.
The design approach, the Studio Pro, all come down to this idea of refinement. It's about function and aesthetics coming together. I felt like it was time to elevate with a more premium color selection. The Studio Pro experience is the perfect blend of design culture, creative culture, and engineering coming together.